Hello and welcome to another Web Manager tutorial. In this one I've already logged in and I'm in my quick edit mode, but I'm going to show you how to go to design mode by clicking design site in this top menu here. Now this downloads the Web Manager software into your browser so you can access your pages and make some pretty hefty changes to them. Now the first thing you'll see is your file directory like this, and everywhere you see a little yellow icon like that, that represents a folder, so you can keep different things in different folders like flash files, image files, drafts, and whatever makes sense. You can create new folders by clicking this button up here. Underneath that you'll see a list of live web pages. So for example, in your URL bar you might have www.webwam.co.uk/about_us, and that'll be my About Us page. So this is how I access that particular page. So if I click on that, if I double click on that, it'll open the page for me. So now I'm in full-on design mode for my About Us page. It just identifies up there again which page I'm working on. You can see these grid lines surround everything, every single element within the page. Now I'm going to talk about the different elements in a different tutorial, but what these grids do is just represent the boundaries of where different things are. Okay, so I've clicked on my text box, and now that's highlighted. I've got a red border going around the edge, and I've got these little white boxes that I can use for resizing this particular element. And just like in Quick Edit, I can click the T button to open up the text editor, and I can make changes to my text as I see fit. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. So when I'm happy with the changes I've made to this particular page, I just click the save icon at the top left there, and that'll apply any of the changes I've made to the live web page. Okay, so now from there, if I want to open another page, I can click the File button at the top left there, and I'll go to Open, and again I'll see my file directory, and I can open another page like so. And again you can see all the different grid lines around the different elements within my web page. Now one of the things you can do is you can turn these off to give you a better idea as to what the page is going to look like live, and then you can turn them back on again. It's just using that button up there. Okay, so it's just a quick intro into the design site mode, or the full web manager mode for the WebWam Web Manager. I hope that's been useful. There's going to be plenty more tutorials which explain how to use the different tools and how the different elements work in greater detail.